Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use routing parameter in RedwoodJS. These let us create dynamic URL and it is perfect for showing individual post details. Later, we will use this concept to make our article title clickable. So when a user click on one, they are taken to that post unique page using its ID. Let's say we want a page to show individual blog posts, something like this URL. Here, 2 is the ID of the post and we want our app to handle that dynamically. Also, we are displaying a list of articles on our homepage using Redwood cell, but we want to make each title link that lead to a page like post 2. This is where route parameters come in. For that, let's go into our route.jsx file and add a route for a single post that taken as a parameter. Here, I already set up the parameter in post page. We are using ID int here to say the ID should be a number. Redwood will then pass that ID as a pro into the page. Now we will make each article title a link to that dynamic post page. So go to the article cell and import this helper at the top. Then we wrap our h2 tag with a link component and use it to build the URL. So go to the h2 tag and add this. But why route parameter matter? With route parameters, you don't have to create a new page manually for every post or article. Instead, one page can handle all of them by using the ID passed through the URL. So we have saved this file. If I go back to my browser and click on a title, and here you go, we are taken to the post one. That ID is now in the URL and we can use to fetch the actual post in the next step. You don't need to manually pass probe or do a complex routing logic. Redwood does the heavy lifting. Route parameters, auto-imported pages, and route helper just work. Alright, quick recap. We added a dynamic route using IDINT, passed the route parameter to our page, made our article title clickable, and saw how Redwood handled dynamic route beautifully. In the next video, we will explore more. Thanks for hanging out, and if you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe.